Hi guys, so here is the Desmos graphing calculator. Some of you have already seen this linked for today's lesson as a resource, like an extra thing to kind of help you guys, especially if you don't have graph paper in front of you. So I'm just going to walk you through how to use this and just some quick tidbits. So if you guys look off to the side here, you'll have this white kind of box, this text box where you can type, and this is actually where you'll type your coordinate pairs, right? Your ordered pairs. And to the right, you have this graph. And this graph, guys, you can actually zoom out and zoom in however much you'd like. So I'll keep it on a scale of 1. Um, so for example, let me zoom back out a little bit. So here you'll see like 1, -1, 1, -1, okay? So if I wanted to graph the ordered pair 1, 2, you'll see that red dot kind of pop up. You can even click label and it'll label that ordered pair for you. You can add more underneath. So if I wanted to graph -1, -1, you'll see that blue dot pop up in the third quadrant. And again, you can click label if you'd like. And you can add as many as you need. This might be helpful for you guys in today's lesson as well as tomorrow's lesson. So use this as you would like. It's here as a resource, okay?